Let's look at this media formula. If you want to find the media of a set of number, that is in statistics, you use this formula. These are the questions we are going to use this formula to solve. What the formulas are saying is this. For odd numbers, that is, when you count them, you find that they are odd, you apply this formula. If you count them, you find out what they are even, you use this formula. Okay? Now, let's start. For the first one, we have 83517. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. 5 is what? 5 is odd. It means we are going to use the first formula. The first formula says count all of them, add 1 to it, divide by 2. That is how to get the median. That is this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, right? 5 plus 1 over 2. That is 6 over 2. That is 3. The third number. So what you need to do now is you arrange them in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. That is start from 1, followed by 3, followed by 5, 7, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we are going to locate the media in third position. That is 1, 2, 3. 5 is the median. Okay? Have you done that? Let's go for the second one. For the second one, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means they are even numbers. As you can see, with the formula for even, just say the number over 2 plus the number over 2 plus 1, everything over 2. Let's see. Number over 2 plus number over 2 plus 1, everything over 2. How many altogether? There are 4. That is 4 over 2 plus 4 over 2 plus 1, all over 2. This will give us 2. This will give us 2 plus 1 over 2. This will give us 2 plus 3 over 2. That is 5 over 2, which will give us 2.5. So if we come to the question, let's arrange it in a 2, 4, 6. Okay? 1, 2, 4, 6. It means 2.5, this location. 1, 2, this is the middle point. It means you have to use this guy that are surrounding this point. It means for even, use the two center numbers, which means you are going to add these two together and divide by 2. At the end of the day, you have 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. So 3 is the media. 3 is the media of this set of numbers. Okay? Let's go for the third one. For the third one, let's count. No need to waste our time again with the formula. You already know how to use the formula. Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Odd numbers, okay? Because they are odd now, it means just go straight and pick the center number. Okay? Let's first of all arrange in ascending order. As you can see, we're going to write 10 first, followed by 11. After 11, that is, this is out, this is out. Then we follow by 12, followed by 14, followed by 15, followed by 18, then 20. We go straight and pick the center. That is n plus 1 over 2, which is 7 plus 1 over 2 equals to 8 over 2. That is the fourth number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the median. 14. What are we doing now? I will leave this one for you to solve. Count this. Check if you are going to use the even formula or the odd formula to locate the media. I want to solve this and drop your answer in the comment section. Hope you understand how to use this formula now.